Okay, I was going through and watching the last revenue video I did, and I was kind of unimpressed with it. I think it was like 1:30 in the morning when I filmed it, so I figured it was time to update it. And on top of that, we've pushed a ton of updates to the product that I'm excited to showcase. Tyler's done a great job of building out the product, and we're working with some larger non-ops, and they've given us good feedback on how they need the product to look and what they need it to do. And so I just want to do a quick, like 10,000 foot overview of what the product does. There's a link to my Calendly below that you can book a call, and we can kind of go more in depth and talk through what your guys' needs are. We work with operators, non-ops, world companies, anybody who's in that space who's receiving these statements and needs an easier way to get this from PDF to usable data in their system. And so what I just want to do is showcase just a simple PDF here. So this is a PDF that an operator receives. And so they come in, this stays here, and then it's mapping it to the well, gross, net, tax, deducts, all of the data that you're going to want. And then we're also pulling in on line item level. So like what's happening with these expenses, if there's deducts, why there's deducts, how this is all happening in the field, going from field statement to your accounting system. Making this a lot easier for you. You can also distribute from our platform, and so we partner with some payment processing companies. You can make those payments directly from our system after you have processed those payments. We also integrate with Plaid, and so you can come in here to our settings. If this was day in the life of you for ours, you'd connect your bank. It would pull in. We have a transaction feed that has all of your data from your bank account, and then what that gives us the ability to do is we can then reconcile. Hey, they've received these payments, and there's no PDF or statement that's been associated with it yet. And on the other hand, if there's a PDF but no payment, you can also track that. And so this is like a sample. This is all Plaid transaction data just for the sandbox environment. But you can just show this example. This would say, hey, revenue from Nucor or Crescent Energy or whoever it is. Here's what you got. Here's how much you were deposited. And then it also showcases any differences. Sometimes there's a difference in the payment amount and what the statement says, whether that's like an ACH fee or a wire fee, wherever the operator is charging you, so you have more transparency in deducts day one. And so we also do a lot of other things. We do accounts payable. We automate saltwater disposal. We give you dashboards. We have MCPs that you can connect to so you can pull all this data down into Claude Cowork or Codex or whatever you're using on your system. We just want to be the front line of helping you guys get your data in there in a way, and our AI models have harnesses and all the different things that you want to make it usable. Like I said, there is a link to my Calendly below. You can click on that. We're excited for what we've built. We're scaling up pretty quick. So our schedule is tight. However, just go ahead and see what's available, and we can make something work for you guys. What the onboarding process would look like is you guys would send us a list of all your revenue statements. We would see if we already have our models trained on them. If we don't, we will train the models on it and get you onboarded. Our pricing is on our website. It's all transparent. So there's like a little pricing graph. You can go see how much it would cost you based on your size, scale, and a few other factors that we take into account. But we'd love to chat more to see if we can help you guys.